BMC Day. It's an interesting and inspiring collection of presentations of what's happening with IT system management today. So IT system management used to be monitoring whether a machine was functioning or not functioning, and today we're actually going to bridge between how is IT functioning and how can we prove the value and the relevance of IT to the executive level of each organization. We have now, the past 5-10 years with ITIL, been trying to teach all the IT departments on how to make themselves relevant to the business of the company or the organization that they're servicing. IT is not just a burden. IT is the fabric that keeps whole organizations, whole companies together. But we can only prove the value of IT if we actually communicate in a way that the business understands. IT should not just experience budget cuts and cutbacks, and they don't deserve just to be pointed fingers at. We actually need business people to come back and say, yes, I invested in this area or in that area, and that investment in my IT actually made us a better company.
The big trend is actually the transformation of what we call personal computing. Our computation power is not going to be home anymore or at work anymore, but it's going to be in the cloud. The other trend is about big data. So the amount of data, also thanks to the first trend, is increasing. We are seeing an increasing speed in the transition towards platform. The innovation that is happening right now, it's impressive, and I think BMC is very well suited to be the service management leading company, just because we've been there 2 years in advance. Where we are keeping our advantage, and also we are investing all our money in software as a service, cloud, and also application management, because these three trends are strictly connected between them, and we think that we are investing the money in the right thing.
There is an important trend going on where our internal and external customers are becoming more challenging. We are following this path and trying to intercept some of the most important things that are happening, like, for example, the explosion of mobile devices and smartphones. The other big trend that we see on the market is the emergence of hybrid delivery models that is fostered by cloud computing on one side. So this is a very important trend that we are capturing as BMC, and we are evolving our solution both in the direction of supporting those processes, but also we are embracing the new delivery model for our own platform.